¡Temazo!
¡Qué temazo saca siempre!
A lonely mother gazing out of her window, staring at a son that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much.
¿Te suena la voz?
But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. Don't go chasing waterfalls, please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for tooting cane into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. Claim the insane and maybe stay fall and pray to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams and hopeless aspirations in hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. Don't go chasing waterfalls, please stick to
Oh, qué bien
the
canta.
rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're